3 best Bitcoin trading platforms in the USA. Choosing a Bitcoin trading platform in the USA sounds simple until 2 apps look equally strong and only one still feels right after the first few buys. That is where most people make the wrong choice, because the real difference usually does not show up on the homepage. It shows up later when you want lower fees, better order control, or the freedom to move your Bitcoin without friction. And that is the detail we are holding until the end, because the easiest looking platform at the start is not always the one that makes the most sense once you actually start trading.
What makes a Bitcoin platform worth it?
For a broad US audience, the smartest filter is ease of use, trading depth, and long-term fit. A strong platform should make it easy to buy Bitcoin, but it should also stay useful once you care about order types, platform fees, charts, and whether you can move assets in and out smoothly. That matters because best is not just about who lets you buy BTC fastest. It is about which platform still feels smart after the first week, the first bigger trade, and the first time you realize convenience and cost are not the same thing. This is general info, not financial or legal advice. Number 3, Robinhood Crypto. Robinhood Crypto takes the third spot because it is the clearest choice for people who want low friction access. Robinhood says you can start with as little as $1, and its crypto pages emphasize simple buying and easy crypto transfers in and out of the account. That makes it especially attractive for someone who wants the smoothest path into Bitcoin without feeling overwhelmed. The reason it stays at number 3 is simple. Robinhood feels great at the start, but the next 2 platforms usually feel stronger once trading becomes more deliberate and you want more serious tools. Number 2, Kraken. Kraken moves into second because it gives Bitcoin traders a stronger, serious trading environment without becoming unusable. Kraken Pro highlights full charting, technical indicators, live order books, streaming trades, and more advanced order instructions like stop loss and take profit. Kraken also offers a customizable desktop setup built around hundreds of crypto markets. That is what makes Kraken feel stronger the longer you look at it. It is not just a place to buy Bitcoin, it is a place that still feels capable once you want tighter control over execution. It misses first place only because the best all-around option here bridges beginner access and advanced trading a little more smoothly. Number 1, Coinbase. Coinbase takes the top spot because it closes the loop from the beginning. The best Bitcoin platform in the USA is not the one that only feels easy and not the one that only feels advanced. It is the one that still works when you move from casual BTC buying into more serious trading. Coinbase Advanced says it offers more than 550 spot pairs, advanced charting powered by TradingView, powerful APIs, and maker fees as low as 0% on some tiers. That balance matters. For a broad US audience, Coinbase feels beginner-friendly on the surface, but still deep enough that many traders will not outgrow it too quickly. The platform that still feels right later. So if you want the clearest starting point, Coinbase is the strongest all-around option, Kraken is the one to watch for more advanced execution, and Robinhood Crypto makes the most sense if your priority is simplicity. And that resolves the detail we left open at the start. The best Bitcoin platform is not the one that only looks easiest in minute 1. It is the one that still makes sense when fees, tools, and control finally start to matter. That is usually where the real winner reveals itself. If you enjoyed the video, hit like, and I'll leave a video on screen that may be of interest to you. You can click it to watch. See you next time.